Hey, this is Royce, Marketing Manager for SLG Lighting, and today I'm so excited. I'm in our training center where we've just installed our brand new SAL Bluetooth linear fixture. Now, we are adding Bluetooth capabilities, but for the non-Bluetooth fixtures, and we've added so many other additional features that I just had to share them with you. Number one is going to be our drop lens. We got a lot of demand for adding a drop lens to this fixture, and you know what? Heck yeah, we did it! So now we've got drop lens features if that's what you want, or your customer wants. We've got the louver kits, we've got the parabolic lens kits. We also incorporated illuminated corners. So no more little gaps, no more little blocks, anything like that. You've got the option to add fully illuminated corners. Regular corner piece like this is an L. You've got a T joiner, T corner. We've got a Y, so you can create some cool hex shapes. We've got the V, again, make those really cool custom shapes that we know your customers are wanting and we know your customers are gonna love. X shape. Really, we're giving you all the tools that you need to make as beautiful of a space as you need it to be. Now, let's show off how cool this Bluetooth is. So you can go from something like this to something kind of like this, all with the press of a button. So let's talk about the really cool part of having a fully Bluetooth linear fixture like this. This means that all your commissioning, all your controls, every part of it is handled directly through a cell phone or tablet. Now, we also have Bluetooth wall switches that can be easily commissioned just as well. So it really means that you can change scenes, you can change grouping, you can change color, up, down, distribution at the touch of a button. In this ever-changing world that we live in, we understand that you need a lighting brand that's going to change with you as well. It's going to change with your customers. That's why we like to innovate. We like to create new generations of fixtures, always constantly improving and giving you options for what you need. Things like the SAL Linear is giving you a lot of options, not just for design, but for color, for light output, for dimming, for Bluetooth controls, giving you a lot more rebate options available to you as well. So at SLG Lighting, we want to make sure we cover your everyday lighting and then some more of your special customers as well, because they're not just special to you, they're also special to us. That might be a little corny, but we really do focus on the user experience here. At SLG Lighting, your experience matters.